Hi, my name is Candace, and I am the founder and formulator of Louloudi Skincare, and I am your guide for the Chronic Illness Recovery Kit. If you are seeing this message, then your package has arrived, and inside you will find these contents. We're going to go over everything together before you get started. Let's go. If you're watching this, that means that your kit has arrived, and this is everything that should be inside. First, you should have the hydration blend, emphatic oil, and the Revitalize and Rejuvenate tincture. Your kit should also include the Quantum Lymphatic Massage Guide, journal prompts, mantras, rituals, and so much more to help you on this journey. Unlike a typical illness where you might get sick, have to go to the hospital or take a pill or do some sort of work or surgery, and then you get better, chronic illness, as you know, if you have suffered from a chronic illness, is cyclical. You might have had a triggered event. It could have been a surgery or, for me, a tick bite. But you will notice patterns along your life where your symptoms are worse and when your symptoms might be better. Now, some people deal with chronic pain every single day, and they have variances in that pain every single day. And some people find that they'll be doing fine, and then they will be triggered by an event. It could be stress, it could be grief, and they may find that their symptoms reappear and are worse than they were before. Either way, I created this kit to help you on this journey, because what I found in my work through spirituality, herbology, astrology, and learning how to formulate was a lot about homeopathy and finding the supreme balance in one's mind, body, and soul. So we see that there are both spiritual and physical manifestations that show up based on emotional well-being. And when we are dealing with chronic illness, it's almost like if our bodies were cars, it's the car light coming on, trying to alert us to a problem that is consistent in our lives that we need to and are brave enough to handle. So let's go over the products that you have in your packaging to understand why they are included, and then all of the other elements in the packaging as well. Let's start with our hydration blend. This blend is designed to help give your body the nourishment that is necessary, especially when you are going through any sort of chronic pain, stress, recovery. Your cells are going to be malnourished and need hydration. Balance in your body, mind, and spirit. You are properly nourished when you are properly hydrated. When you're treating your cells as if they are more than just machines, you are in a better health condition. We notice that no matter what condition is present in the body is under stress and it needs to be managed. We all deal with chronic stress, meaning that we are existing in a world where we have to have higher levels of stress for survival. So there really isn't anyone who couldn't use this blend. But if you are dealing with chronic pain issues, your body is going through more stress than the average person, meaning your cells are doing a lot more work to keep you around and vitalized, to allow you to do the things you need to do to get through life. You need to use this blend every single day. Our Revitalize and Rejuvenate tincture you can take for 3 months. This is a month supply. It should last you about 45 days. All of our products, you'll have how to use them in the kit, but I'm telling you that this is here to regenerate your liver and restore your kidneys and to clear out your urinary tract and to also keep your lymph system clear. Milk thistle is an incredibly powerful herb and the only remedy for the death cap mushroom, which is one of the most toxic mushrooms in the world. And if someone were to ingest that mushroom, they would find that it would destroy their liver. And milk thistle is the only remedy for that. We have milk thistle in this product. We also have burdock, which is an amazing detoxing agent and is going to aid in removing any waste from the kidneys, from the bladder, and from the liver as well, and aid you with your lymphatic massage to keep getting the toxins out as efficiently as possible as you nourish the body. Our oil comes with the course that shows you how to do the massage. You should have the code here to log in. It's an online program that you can come back to again and again and again. And the accompanying oil is here to work with you to do this fabulous massage that you will learn how to do. Why am I doing this? My goal is to get your body to a place where you have removed the toxins. And what are toxins but the waste that your body has not been able to properly dispose of, which can get bound up in our joints and in our cells, making us feel sick. I'm here to help your body remove that waste, to bring nourishment to your joints through massage, through your muscles through massage, and then to hydrate and nourish your cells so that your body has an ability to get back to a level of homeostasis to help you heal. But we know that it's not just topical or ingestibles that facilitate true healing. You also have to incorporate the mind and the spirit, which is why we also have amazing journal prompts and mantras that you're going to use daily to really get down to the root cause of these emotional issues that tie the physical response. You also will be getting the tarot. There's a tarot guide, how to get in touch with your chakras, how to get in touch with planetary influences, because they can serve as your archetype while you're on this journey. You can learn a lot from these archetypes, especially the tarot. All of them. They're absolutely fabulous. You will find that there's a chakra that resonates, a tarot that resonates, a planetary influence that resonates. That's going to be your guide in your life as you go through these issues. I just want to remind you again, these are not a one and done. I'm trying to help you learn how to manage pain, become more embodied so that you can be more present and aware of what triggers the pain responses, and to allow you to live with a lot more joy and presence and harmony, irregardless of how you feel. There is a place where you can live with joy and pain. You can live with joy beyond pain. And I would like for this to serve on your, as your guide on something that you can continue to go back to when you feel like you've taken a misstep on this journey. Again, I am CanDace. I'm going to be with you the entire way. You can always reach me at the information that you see if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much for joining this program.